Owning a classic or vintage car isn't just about driving, it's about preserving a piece of history. Here are some tips for how to care for a vintage car. Vintage cars include cars built between 1919 and 1930. Antiques include any car over 45 years old. Classics are typically 20 to 40 years old. And collector cars, they're all about rarity, design, and sentimental value. When caring for a vintage car, you should first decide what type of restoration you are going for: Concours, Resto Mod, or driver quality. During the restoration process, you should also decide if you want to invest in custom or aftermarket parts. Regular cleaning, rust prevention, and detailing are key to protect your car. Temperature-controlled storage and rodent protection can go a long way as well. Lastly, don't forget to drive it. Cars were made to move. Want to protect your classic ride for generations? AAA members can save at AAA-owned car care centers and AAA-approved auto repair facilities. Visit our website to learn more.